Hello, now welcome back to Find the Binguses. Let's do another secret bingus. Um, I'm not gonna do this one. I mean, I am unable to do this one because I think you need to finish the glitchiness system for this one. So, well, of course, I don't have that, so we can't do that one. Well, that one is basically just as hard as the hardest bingus in the game. That only leaves this one, so I'm gonna do this. That's probably a Caesar cipher, if I had to guess. Let me share my screen. Okay, XLMVH. Gypsy Etif Sive Nisivrik. Third floor of a perilous journey. The third floor of Bingus Apparel. Probably. Okay, we're going back to Bingus Atoll. I did not expect that to happen. But, I mean, we're gonna go back there. We want to finish the game, so that means we're gonna have to go back to realms we've already completed. But if we get this Bingus, it will be my 450th Bingus in the game. That would be pretty cool. Let's teleport to the volcano. Luckily, the third floor isn't that hard to reach. It's like only 1/3 of the entire obby. Maybe like 1/4 of the entire obby. It's super easy. I think it's 8 floors. I think I can, yeah, I can just walk through this lava. It looks like you can't, but wait, this is not where I should go. That is not not Bingus Apparel portal. That's over here. There's 10 floors even. Oh my god, okay. Gotta go speedy. I'm already on floor 2, I think. Now we're on floor 3. So this is floor 3. I see something there in the corner. Okay, I see where I need to go. There's like a gap there that I need to jump through. That isn't too hard to find. Okay, I made it. There's like an egg here. Hello. What do we have here? Look around this room. Each number refers to an egg in an event. Find its badge ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then divide it by 6. Code is the first 6 digits. Okay. I see one over here. 3 is Megacorp. Notepad. 1, 2, 3. Megacorp. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Also one over here. Outpost settlement. Outpost settlement. Probably a word missing then. Do I need to find their... I need to find the badge ID of the eggs. How do I find those? Oh, hello. An egg in an event with no other eggs. Found in the land of hexagons. An egg in an event with no other eggs. Found in a land of hexagons. Okay. 11 pieces of a puzzle. pieces of a puzzle. Okay. Get them up here. Two. Okay, that's just bunch of 2 times. Wait, is that the first one or the fifth one? Is the fifth one. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Robot emoji. Okay. I need one more. I found it. It's up here. Faster than 2 9. Okay. Faster than 299,792,458 miles per second. Oh boy, this is gonna be one heck of a surge, dude. Roblox egg hunts. Oh my god, there's like 12 egg hunts in total. I need to look through 11 through 12 egg hunts. Extravaganza. Oh my god. Okay, well I'll wait. This is the egg from Find Find the Alalas. This is in like the dumpster in the city area. Tiny egg of non-existence. Find a geometric reference. Okay, I guess I'll just look through all these wiki pages in the hope that I can find an egg. I suppose that looks similar to this. I've looked through this thing for like 15 minutes already, and I actually got a lead now. There's like the sixth one. It says question mark outpost, question mark settlements, and this is the 2017 egg hunt, the only egg hunt that I ever played, by the way. And it has an area which is the stratosphere outposts and the stratosphere settlements. So is there like a stratosphere egg of some sort? Stratosphere egg. Is there an egg that you can get in both of these? Like Top of the World, Lost in Transit, Humpty Dumpty, the Egg Teen 12. Okay. This one just has the EBR egg. Okay. But I should really play this egg hunt again once in the future. Maybe on a stream or something like that. That could be pretty fun. Hmm. I kind of do think the final one is the EBR egg. Because it has like question mark outpost with like an arrow to question mark settlement. And this is the only egg in the outpost settlements. So I feel like this is the sixth egg. Let me do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. EBR egg. And now I need the numbers from the badge idea. That's I think I just find them by just going to the game and then go to the badges and try to find the EBR egg in here. EBR egg. Damn, that's a very short badge ID, dude. Okay. I mean, this is the badge ID. That's probably going to be the easiest one for me to find because this is the only egg hunt that I know about, even though it has been like 8 years ago since I've played this, but it's the only thing that I know about egg hunts. Also, fun fact, the egg of Ra. This was this egg. I used this egg as my hat once, like with my first account ever. The memories, dude. Okay. Let's. I'm just gonna continue to see if I can find any lead. I think I know what they mean by the fifth one. Because I'm now on the 2019 one, and I'm looking through the games. This one had a robot emoji and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This equals 64. And a robot emoji means robot 64. Now I need to know, how can I find which egg is there? Because I couldn't find like a list of eggs in this list. So I need to look through the badges here to see if I can find an egg. Egg Scream. Well, this is the only egg and the only badge this game has. Also, by the way, I should definitely play this game as well at one point. But I mean, it has to be this, right? It's like a perfect hint for this. Egg Scream. Let's grab this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So that's 5. Then, I guess. Okay. Well, time to get looking again. Oh my, this is so hard, dude. It's so hard. It's so hard to put the pieces together for this. Okay, I couldn't find anything in 2020, so I'm now just going back through all of them, and now I'm also reading the description or the objective in each one of them. And here it literally just says 11 puzzle pieces were scattered across every Agant world, and players had to collect them. 4 is literally 11 pieces of a puzzle. And this is the 2018 one. It's the 15 egg. I'm gonna put this in here. 15 egg. I need to go to Egg Hunt 2018 experiences. I can't look this up. What? Egg Hunt, the Great Yolk Tales. The Great Yolk Tales. Egg Hunt 20. Yeah, Egg Hunt 2018. Why couldn't I find it just then? Okay. Okay, now we need to find this egg in here. I kind of remember what it looked like. The 15 egg. Okay. That's this code, this ID. Okay. Nice. That should be 3. I'm 100% sure that 4 and 5 are correct, and I'm like 98% sure that the 6th one is correct. So that's a good thing. It's a good thing that I believe that I'm correct in these. Because this ends with math, and anything math related, where you need to find values and then calculate with those values, it's so hard to figure out which one you have wrong. So I'm glad I'm still like 100% sure that I'm correct. Think I found another one. Um, I looked up the faster than this big number, and it's basically the maximum speed that is literally possible on Earth. And there's one here that's called faster than light egg, and it's the only egg with a name like this. So I feel like that this could be the first one. I'm not 100% sure about this one, but it feels right. But this is another one from 2017, and that's the thing that's bugging me. Because why would you pick two eggs from the same egg hunt for a puzzle like this? But it feels correct. I'm just gonna grab this. I feel like that this is right. This should be right. Faster than light egg. It feels right. It just feels right. It feels the right thing. Yeah, it just feels it just feels as the right thing. I don't know. I'm still not 100% sure, but it has to be. This one didn't actually take me too long to find. I mean, I think I'm correct on this one again. But this says like an egg at an event with no other eggs, which means it's not an egg hunt. So I started looking through like the other event Roblox nodes, and this has like the hunt first edition. And if you scroll all the way down, there's an infinite egg here. But I don't know the land of hexagons because I can't find. Wait, I can click on this. It's this. Hold on. There's something with hexagons in here. Badges. The infinite egg. Still available. I don't know what the land of hexagons mean. I mean, it is the only egg in this hunt, but I don't know what hexagon means. That's the only thing. I think it is this, but I'm for this one I'm even less sure. And it's such a big number as well, dude. Oh my god. Okay. Um, the infinite egg. That's such a big number. Oh my god. Okay. I mean, it said that the final code says take the last six numbers, so it could be right, but okay. Um, well, we need one more. We need the megacore one, and I have no clue where to start for this one because I have no clue what the reference for this is. I have no clue what the reference for this one is. To be fair, and I'll just look around and hope I find something. I've looked on the internet on the wiki for like more than an hour, and I have enough. I can't see any more eggs, dude. I went in the Discord and I saw that a guy just gave like every single ID and just confirmed that someone else was like right what he had. And the third one is this. It's the stained glass egg, which is from 2018, the Great York Tales. I haven't looked at this egg at all. I haven't even found it in here yet, so don't remember seeing this one. It's the same game as the 15 one. Okay, well here's the egg. Collect 8 purple cubes, 2 in Wonderland Grove, 2 in East Burning Canals, 1 in Hardboiled City, and 1 in Festival of Eggs, 1 in the ruins of Wukong, and 1 in the Undernest. After you collect all the cubes, go to the Festival of Eggs and take a screenshot of the balloons. Then go to Merlin's Swamp and find a cave, put the color from the balloons in the correct order from left to right, then open the door and you will see a chest with an egg in it. What? How? What does this have to do with Megacore? Was it? It was over here somewhere, right? No, where was this one? 3 Megacorp. What does this have to do with Megacorp? What does this have to do with Megacorp? I have no clue. That is so weird. Like I was never gonna find this. I'm glad I looked this up, and I'm glad someone like gave the answers. But okay, all right, sure thing. I'm that's just so hard, dude. Okay, I'm gonna write this as like this formula real quick. I've written it in a formula and I've copy pasted it in here. I don't know if these brackets really matter, but I'm gonna add them anyways. Evaluate. Decimal form minus. I don't think there's a minus. This is the first 6 digits. So we have 2619991. Those are the first 6 digits. It is correct. I'm glad I'm right about the other 5, dude. But oh my god, that third one, the Megacorp one, that one is stupid. If anyone knows what the reference is, because I haven't played that egg hunt, maybe there's like a reference inside the egg hunt, but I don't get the reference. So if anyone knows the reference, please tell me in the comments, because I really want to find out why. Well, we got Treasured Cuisine, Bing Egg. Oh my god. Thumbnail time. Um, I'll just take 2 screenshots of myself dancing, I suppose, as well for the thumbnail. And over here, dance. No, not 2. Okay, I got my thumbnail. Dude, that is hard. That's definitely merciless difficulty, in my opinion. It's so hard to figure out like the eggs for this one. Like, I guess the Robot 64 one was pretty easy, and the 11 puzzle pieces one was pretty easy, but the others are all very vague, and especially like the Megacorp one. That's just so hard. This is definitely peak merciless, in my opinion. It's not harder than the Larry Bingus, but it's still pretty hard. It's very hard. Can I set this one as my picture or no? Well, definitely not in this realm because it doesn't show up here. I'm glad I have it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the main realm, main world. That took so long, dude. I think I've done this for like 2.5, maybe 3 hours. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Okay. Biggest decks. Set as picture. And now I have that my picture, but it doesn't show up in here. That's sad. Um, set as picture. It doesn't work for me, but oh well. Oh my god, fighting pool is here. Hello, fighting pool 16. I'm gonna end the episode right here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, which will probably be the Glitchiness System realm. Finally, I know a lot of you have been waiting for that.